Changing out the cam sensor. This is what the cover looks like, where the sensor goes. And then your water pumps there, and the crank seal. And then this is how the sensor looks. So just like that. Just undo the 10mm a little bit, enough to slide this old one out and the new one in. Then to get to the sensor, I went ahead and removed the coil pack. 4 bolts, 10mm, 2 top, 2 on the bottom. I just went ahead and moved that out of the way. And then the back side of the motor mount there, there's a little brace goes across. Went ahead and moved that. That's what it looks like right there. It's just a little bit of brace that goes to the motor mount. Take that out of the way. You can go ahead and get in there. Let's get a flashlight. And then what you do is get this, unplug the sensor. And then right down in there is the 10mm bolt. You have enough room to get in there, undo the bolt. And then go ahead and slide the old sensor out. Just right underneath there.